This video will help you with the English to Latin on the Unit 11A test. There's going to be 7 questions from these that will show up on the grammar section. The gods of the family will overcome a common enemy. The gods is the subject of the sentence. It's nominative plural. The word from gods is deus, so it's dei. Of the family, this is genitive singular. So it's going to be familiae. Will overcome, this will be future active from supero. Supero is first, so it's superabunt. A common enemy, so this would be the adjective commonem, agreeing with enemy. And for enemy, you could use hostem or inimicum. Since it's the gods of the family will overcome a common enemy, I think it might be personal, so I'd go with inimicum, but either one's fine. Next one, the land of our fathers and mothers stretched from the mountains to the sea. Again, the land will be the subject of the sentence, so it will be nominative, except terra here for the land, or if you're thinking of the land of the mothers and fathers, you might think patria as in fatherlands. Of our fathers, genitive from frater, or so patris. Sorry. Mothers, genitive singular. Oops, sorry, this is plural. Go back. Fathers, genitive plural. Stretched, to tended, or if you wanted to use the imperfect, to tendebat. From the mountains, you could either use ob or ex, and mountains, which would be montibus, ablative. To the sea, ad mare, because it's neuter. The founder of the Roman people was a god of war who was strong both in name and in influence. And so the founder, which also means the creator, again, nominative singular, auctor. Of Roman people, genitive. Romani, populi. Was, the founder was, just erat. A god. Again, remember, was takes nominative on both sides, so it's just going to be deus. Of war, genitive, belly. Was strong. They want you to use the whole word was strong, and so this is wale bot from waleo. Who, it's going to be qui, because again it goes back to the god who was, so it's masculine singular, and in this case who was always nominative. Both and, this is looking for et. Remember, et means both and. In name, so this will be just nomine, ablative. It's ablative of respect. You don't need the preposition. And in influence, another ablative of respect, auctoritate. Again, ablative of respect is just an ablative. You don't need the preposition in. 22. It is not easy for them to find courage when the citizens themselves sit and do nothing. So it is not easy. This is nominative, but it is neuter. So it's nominative, neuter, singular. Facile. For them. Now, for takes the dative. Easy for them. This would be a dative. And so it's eis. To find. This is an infinitive. In venere. Courage, direct object of to find, and so it's were to tem, direct object, accusative. When, this is just the adverb ubi. The citizens, and this is just cives. Themselves, you have to use the intensive, ipsi, again modifying citizens, which is nominative. Sit, just sedent. Third plural, present active. And do, faciunt, or aget, either one. nothing, and nothing is indeclinable, it's just nihil. The same people who hope for freedom are the very ones who are afraid when peace has been established. The same people, and so it's going to be idem. People, populus, nominative singular, subject, who hope, again relative pronoun modifying people, and who is always nominative, so it's qui. Hope, spirat, freedom, accusative, libertatem, are, so this would be sunt, the very ones, again this is the intensive, ipsi, who are afraid, so afraid, terrent, when peace has been established, and I tell you to use the ablative absolute, and it's pace confirmata, and that's how you do the exercise B from 381.